All right, boys and girls, today is our last day of the week for math, lesson 120-2, and you actually have a fact assessment and a written assessment. So the first assessment you are going to do is fact assessment 23-2. Go ahead and lay those out. Make sure you have a nice sharpened pencil, and make sure you have a timer ready to set. You will have 6 minutes to do this. Make sure you have a colored pencil or crayon so that when the 6-minute timer goes off, you may go ahead and start using the colored pencil or crayon to finish up. You may go ahead and turn the video off now and complete that for me. And then now I would like for you to get out your written assessment number 23 and set it down. Now, I do not want you to start. I want to go over the test just like I do when you're here, because I want to make sure that you understand what the question is asking so that you will make the best grade you can possibly make. So the first thing I want to do is you want to get out your tracking finger and you want to look at problem number 1 with me and track. Mrs. Sarno has 4 packages of markers. Each package has 5 markers. Draw a picture to show the markers. How many markers does Mrs. Sarno have altogether? Now, underline your question. We are looking for markers. That is your label. There's 2 other important pieces of information in the first and second sentence. The first one is 4 packages. Put a box around that. The second part that's important is 5 markers. Put brackets or parentheses around that. Not parentheses. Put your little brackets around it, okay? Now you're going to draw a picture to show the markers. So think about it. 4 packages. You're going to draw that out first. Each package with 5 markers. Now what is your number sentence? You're going to write that out with a label. And then what is your answer? All right? Look at number 2. You will need a ruler. You're going to measure the length of each side of this shape using centimeters. So make sure that your rulers has centimeters on them. What is the perimeter? Remember, it's like we're putting a fence around something. We want to know the rim. Now look at number 3. Draw an 8-centimeter line segment. Now remember what's important about a line segment. It's a part of a line, all right? So make sure you're looking at the centimeter side when you draw a nice straight 8-centimeter line segment. Now look at number 4. I have 1 quarter, 2 dimes, and 1 nickel. Now you're going to draw these in the little box provided. Make sure you label how much each coin is worth. That will help you when you count. Now, after you draw the coins, it says, how much money do I have? Write the amounts in 2 ways. So you use the cent sign for one way, and the other way you're going to make it using dollars and cents. All right, look at number 5. You're going to use the information of the graph to the right of your paper. And it says lunchbox colors. There's 3 different colors, red, yellow, and blue. And we see that each square represents 2. It's counting by 2s. Now, it says that 5 children have red lunchboxes, 12 children have yellow lunchboxes, and 9 children have blue lunchboxes. Shade the graph to show the number of children with each color lunchbox. Now remember, because it's counting by 2s, if I color a whole square, I'm counting by 2s. If I only color half of that square, I'm counting by 1. So be careful when you show 5 red, 12 yellow, and 9 blue. Make sure that you find that and shade it correctly. Now look at number 6. Find the answer. You're multiplying 3 times 5. So you can either sing your jingle using your 5 fingers, or you can say 5 times 3 and count by 5 using 3 fingers. So either way you want to multiply that. And then look at the 4 problems. Be careful. You have 2 addition and 2 subtraction. Look at your signs. Be very careful. You have 342 plus 486. 45 minus 29. And think about your poem, your subtracting and regrouping poem. There's more on the floor there. I'm going to go next door and grab 10 more. 70 minus 34. Same thing. There's more on the floor. I have to go next door and get 10 more. And then finally, you have an addition problem. 38 plus 47 plus 65. I think each one of you can make a 100. So go ahead and take your test. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I'm sending lots of love and big hugs.